Imagine if inside is outside. Imagine a mini interior that blends the inside and the outside world seamlessly. Exterior and interior design merge naturally with this fully glazed front end. When projecting useful information, the street becomes your canvas. We think the Mini Vision Next 100's design gives you a very cool and modern impression of space from the inside. We envisage a front-end design that allows you to look through the interior and onto the street. Imagine if inside is outside.